Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Charlotte. Today I'll be showing you how to make one of my favorite pastas, which is the zesty roasted cauliflower pasta with crispy breadcrumbs. It tastes absolutely amazing. So I hope you enjoy this video and let's get cooking. Firstly, I'm going to make the seasoned breadcrumbs. I'm using some panko breadcrumbs, but you can use some stale bread and blitz it in a food processor and make some breadcrumbs. In a pan, place 1 cup of breadcrumbs, dried oregano and dried thyme, chili flakes, nutritional yeast, 2 tablespoons of olive oil or any cooking oil. Then use a spatula to evenly mix all the seasonings and olive oil into the breadcrumbs. Place the pan over a stove and toast on low heat, stirring constantly so that the breadcrumbs are toasted evenly. Toast them until you have an even golden brown color. Then transfer the breadcrumbs to a plate to let it cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. And store it in an airtight jar. You can keep it in the fridge for a couple months and sprinkle it on any of your favorite pastas, mac and cheese, or salads with this breadcrumbs. The seasoning for this breadcrumbs would also work really well for croutons, so let me know if you try it out. Next, I'm going to preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius for roasting the cauliflower. While the oven is preheating, I'm going to mince up some garlic. I'm mincing 2 cloves of garlic, 1 per serving. You'll need 1 medium-sized cauliflower. Cut out all the florets. Cut the florets into halves or quarters depending on the size, but you just want to make them into bite-sized pieces. Then transfer all the cauliflower onto a lined baking tray. Drizzle on some olive oil or cooking oil. A bit of black pepper and salt. Toss it all together and then evenly spread it out onto the tray. Then bake in the oven for 25 minutes. While the cauliflower is baking, I'm grating some lemon zest. You'll need about half a teaspoon for 2 servings. I'm also juicing the lemon. You'll need about 1.5 teaspoons of lemon juice. Then in a pan, add some cooking oil or olive oil on medium-low heat. Then add in the minced garlic. Saute until it starts to brown, then remove it from the heat. Time to cook some pasta, so bring 3 cups of water to a boil in a large pot. Cook the pasta 1 minute before it's al dente. Reserve about a 1/4 cup of pasta water that we're going to use to cook the pasta in the pan. After 25 minutes, remove the cauliflower from the oven. They should have some nice golden brown bits on the edges. Now back to the pasta. Transfer the pasta into the pan of sauteed garlic. Have the heat on medium-low. Add some lemon juice and the lemon zest, some salt, give it a stir, and cook until the pasta is al dente. Now it's time to plate up the pasta. Add the roasted cauliflower on top. And finally, the crispy breadcrumbs. And a little bit more lemon zest. So this is the final dish, the savory, lemony, zesty pasta. Let's try the pasta we just made. It smells so good. It smells so fresh and lemony. Lemon and garlic just taste so good together, and I love the crispy texture from the breadcrumbs. It's a nice contrast to these chewy spaghetti noodles. I apologize for the background noise. It's just, I don't know what they're doing, but I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you tried this recipe. It's super delicious. Subscribe and like for more vegan recipes. I hope to see you in my next video very soon, and thank you for watching.